Hey, it's Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the cycle count log to improve your inventory accuracy and stop stock errors from slipping through the cracks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run cycle counts, track discrepancies, and fix problems before they hurt your business. What this means for your business is that you'll save time, keep your customers happy, and free up cash flow that might otherwise get stuck in excess stock. You'll be able to download this template and 4 more in the link below. And stick around till the end because I've got something very special I'd like to offer you. One of the biggest frustrations for business owners is when the system says that you've got stock, but the shelf is empty. Or when you think you're out, but you find a whole box hiding in the corner. These mistakes happen because stock data drifts over time, receiving errors, mispicks, or supply issues. They all add up. If left unchecked, this leads to poor decision-making, late orders, and lost sales. That's where the cycle counts come in. Instead of shutting down for a full stock take, you count smaller sections regularly and track them using the cycle count log. So this is the cycle count log. This is one of the sheets in the free Stock Savers inventory operations template. We're going to start by entering in the date of your count and the SKU that you're checking. If you've got multiple products, you can work through them one by one over time. So I'm going to put in today's date, and I'm going to put the SKU as just item number 1. Next, we're going to record where the stock is stored. This could be in a shelf, a bin, or a warehouse zone. This helps you pinpoint where discrepancies happen most often. So I'm going to put warehouse 1. Next, we're going to check the system quantity. So we're going to pull the quantity from your inventory system. This is what the computer thinks you have. So I'm going to say the system shows 57 of this quantity. Now we're going to count and record the physical quantity. So it's important now that you go and physically count the stock and enter the number. This is the ground truth. So the physical quantity may come back and we've got 60. So now we want to review the variance and accuracy percentage. The spreadsheet automatically calculates the difference and the accuracy percentage. A variance of 0 means that there's perfect accuracy. Anything else shows that you've got a problem to investigate. What you want to do is you want to assign a counter and add notes. So put myself as the counter and notes, found an extra 3 in the corner of the warehouse. So if items were damaged, misplaced, or found in another location, you want to note it here. So with this simple log, you can keep track of your stock. We can keep accuracy high without needing to shut down for full inventory counts. So hopefully you're able to use this in your business and you find it valuable. And because you've stuck around until the end, here is the special offer that I promised. I've created the Stock Savers 90-day journey, a step-by-step program where we work together to grow profits and cut costs in 90 days or your money back guaranteed. That means if you don't see measurable results at the end of the program, you don't pay a single cent. On top of that, for the next 50 members only, we're offering a special discounted rate to join. This is the lowest price the program will ever be, and once those 50 spots are taken, the price goes back up. If you've ever felt like your business is leaking money through poor inventory management or inefficient operations, now is the perfect time to fix it. You'll get proven tools, accountability, and direct support from me every step of the way. If you found this video valuable, hit subscribe and drop a comment below about the biggest inventory challenge you're facing right now. I'll personally reply with tips to help.